Hi, folks. Robert here with more Revit training. We're back with this church project here, and now we've got everything done going on here. And before I get started, please subscribe to the channel. Help support this channel. Try to get to 5,000 subscribers. Really be great. So we've got our schedule here now, and we've got our model. So now we want to look at legends. So basically, a legend is very simple here. So you want to go to the View tab here and select Legends and go Legend. Now here, we can make legends of anything. So let's do it. Let's do a few right quick and get them onto this sheet. So this the first one's going to be, let's do light fixtures. So we can, in this little dialog box, you can just call this LIGHT fixtures. And click OK, and it'll be a 1/4" scale. So now, let me tab these views for you. You want to make this one active. So right now, if you go into your project browser over here, you will see under Legends, light fixtures. So we created that and it's highlighted heavily, so we're in that view. So now to go and do our light fixtures, very simple. We'll just go down to lighting fixtures, and here they are. And we can just drag and drop these guys. So there's one. And these are good because they're in our model. We got the 277 there. Then we got the 8-inch. Got a couple of 8 inches in here. So get these lined up. Yep, that little guideline you see there, that sort of keeps everything in line. So we've got those to light. So now let's go grab some sconces. We're gonna grab and drag and drop here. Okay, that's not showing up. I think I know why, because this is a legend. I don't think these will work here. Okay, so what we'll do here is grab these. That's why, see, that's got to show that background, that face. So this is the wall and this is the fixture actually. Let's do a 277 here. And what we got here? 12-foot light. Oh wow, we got a lot of these guys. You might want to. You can arrange these any way you like here. Basically, might want to do something like this. I think we had 2x2s here. Yep. And then we have a 2x4. And what else do we have? What's this? Let's see what that is. Okay. So now we have our light fixtures here. And kind of what you want to do is, I don't know if I can tag these. You might want to go in here and go to annotation. And actually, we'll get a title when we place this on the sheet. So if I go back to that sheet, and I can drag and drop the legend here, from here, and there's our light fixtures. So now what we can do here, we can go back into the legend, and let's give these some notes. So let's go add text. So this is incandescent 6-inch. I think that's how you spell it. Oh gosh, guys, hold on. Let me make sure I got that spell right. Incandescent. I think I got it. So we got the 6-inch incandescents here. And then let's go here and let's just copy this down. This will be our 8-inch. And you can do this any way you want. And then we got our sconces. Let's just copy this and edit it. S-C-O-N, sconce white. So these really work pretty nice here. So then here we want to go with the 1x4 ceiling lamp. Let me go here and just go annotate. Get this in here eventually. What's this? 1x4 Topher light. I mean, get as much data in here as you want. This is a 2x2. Yep. Now I'm doing this here in the legend file, but actually I've got it on that sheet and I can go back to it. This is a 2x4, or that's a 2x2, I'm sorry. Actually, this would go with the electrical, probably electrical scheduling, if I got one in there. It's a 2x2. So this is pretty simple and straightforward here, guys. What is this? A wall pack light. What is that? Let's go wall pack light. Say okay here. So now we've got our legend, and if I go back into that sheet, there you go. So that's all done. Now this is electrical stuff, lighting fixture schedule. Yeah, so that would go with that. I actually don't even have the 2x4s. I got the 8-inch condensing. So these are the schedules that would go with this. So now let's do another one right quick, and then I'm gonna leave it there. Let's do a door. So basically works the same way. We'll go into legend. And we'll call this one, no, I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna do windows because I don't wanna take too long in this video. You guys get the message and know what's going on here. Go okay. Now we're in that legend view. And then we want to go down to, let's rename. You can also rename this. But we want to keep it at Windows. Yeah, let's just leave it at Windows. And now we're in that view. And we're going to go all the way down to our windows. There they are. So we've got fixed here. I remember that we had one fixed. Ooh, I have all those different sizes. So I'm gonna just take a few out of here. Take the 2x2. Now, if you look up here in the taskbar, you can see you can do a floor plan view, or an elevation. So in the window case, we want to do a front elevation. Okay, so there's our one of our windows. And then we want to go, we got our casements here. Again, we want to do, we can do plan or elevation, but for these case, for windows, we want to do elevation. So there's that one. And then we had double hungs here. I think they were like this size. I guess you had to keep changing that, but you guys get the idea of this front. And then sometimes, you know, this will allow you to actually add two. Let's see. Let me see that one that big. Let's go into plan view, front view. Now I would do the front view here because we don't necessarily have to have the plan view because we got them in. Well, we actually got these in the elevation as well. So here we want to go out and let's see. Let me go look at this model again. I don't remember what kind of windows we had here. Okay. Oh, wow. We're not even using the right windows, guys. So let's just go and check and see what we got here. And double hung arched. Okay. Go back into that Windows Legend. And we should be doing arched. There it go. My bad, folks. I think we had, let's just keep these for the heck of it. I think we had that one. And we want to do an elevation as well. Front. We've had, we had a couple of smaller ones here at the bathrooms. And we wanted an elevation. So these are our windows. So we can do anything basically to create a legend. And then we have these options. So again, if I take this one, we might want to see the plan view, but in this case, we want to see these in elevation. Let's put one there. I guess you had to keep changing this each time. That's the back. We want to do the front. But hey, guys, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow this thing, get as much subscribers as I can. I wish you could tag these. Let me see. I don't think you can't. I can't. Should be able to. Annotate. Tag my category. Okay. But anyway, guys, let's go and look at our sheet again, our schedules. And I'll go up to my legends in the project browser, Windows, just drag and drop it. So we have our windows, and then we can do the doors as well. So just to finish this off, I would start the doors and I'll do them in another video. But hey guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and be safe. And then, you know, again, we can change the scale on these guys. We can do whatever. So that's how you do legends. So hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody, bye and be safe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Be safe.